How to fit your rigid lenses safely. Wash hands and dry thoroughly with a clean lint-free towel. Sit in front of your mirror, lying flat on a work surface. Remove the lens from the case and rinse it with saline. Never rinse with tap water or mineral water to avoid contamination. Place the lens on the tip of your index finger, always starting with your right lens. Lean over your mirror, face parallel to the mirror, to place the lens horizontally. Lower your lower eyelid with your middle finger. With your other hand, lift your upper eyelid. Hold your eyelids tight so you don't blink. Bring the lens close to your iris. The finger and lens are parallel to the mirror. It is important to place the lens on the cornea and not on the sclera, also called the white of the eye. Look down. Gently release your eyelids. The lens is set. If your lens is not centered on the iris but on the white of the eye, remove it according to the protocol and repeat the insertion. Do not attempt to reposition the lens with your fingers while your eyes are open, as this may irritate your cornea. Place the left lens using the same protocol. Recommendations: place your lenses before applying makeup. Do not insert your lenses if you have eye irritation or if they are damaged or chipped. Do not shower or bathe while wearing lenses. If you feel any discomfort, refer to your healthcare professional for advice.